said it so many times I'm forgetting. It's So welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Iana Lene, here with some completely different content for you guys. I have some new business ventures that I've been getting into with my dad that I want to share with you guys. We're going to show you how we're about to make some money. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can make your own money because my dad had this genius idea of not wanting to work for somebody else the rest of your life. This is 2020, the year of clear vision, even though it's low-key going downhill from here, but we're still inside and there's plenty of ways to still be productive. So how else can you make money but not work underneath someone else, make up when you want to, make your own rules, sell your own products? A business. Starting your own business is the only way that you would be able to have the financial freedom, also not having a boss barking at you telling you what to do. It's actually pretty tangible. We use a website called Shopify. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard it. It's there, everything is literally laid out for you. They also have a help center if you don't know how to do certain things, or you could call and ask questions. Make sure that you set up your domain name so that it's not your store at shopify.com, it'll be yourstore.com. So make it your own, so when you're telling people what your website is, they can go exactly to what it is. But this is going to be my dad's company and me, you know, just helping out like I always do. Just how we started up in our process. So this will be my journey video for me to guys to show you. I could definitely update you along the way. Hopefully we'll have our first sale soon so we could talk about that. And all our struggles that we're facing. Reach out there and try to make something of yourself. So if you're interested, make sure you hit subscribe and that like button. Turn on the notifications if you want to get notified every single time that I post. Hopefully this will inspire you to start your own business. If not, you can just support ours. But yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how we got started with our business. Okay, so this is our website here. It is easthillscasuals.com. We're trying to go completely eco-friendly at some point, but all of our clothing is quality. This is not Romwe or H&M Basics. These are eco-friendly, high quality clothing, and I cannot stress that enough. I think you guys will thoroughly enjoy what we have on here. I'm going to show you some of our packaging items now, just so you guys can get inspired to do your own business someday, hopefully. It's definitely tangible, so go out there and grab it. Okay, so these are our bags. These are completely biodegradable. You're not going to see this floating in the ocean 5 to 10 years from now. Super cute. We have this in black, and then he also has these in this super cute pink one. So when you guys are ordering, this is what the bags will come in. And then of course we have these lovely thank you cards for you guys because we're so, it's upside down. With a little note here for you. It's top secret. Each one's gonna get a little something different. And then of course, like any other business, we have our business cards that you can give out to all your girlfriends and their moms to shop. Okay, so here I'm gonna pull up the website for you guys so you can see what we have to offer. We also have Instagram, so you can either type in easthillscasuals.com. This is one of my favorite joggers that we have on the website now. I want you guys to get this nice clear quality shot thanks to my Canon. So this is our Evil Eye joggers. It also has this cool print at the bottom here, but not even to gas. Like, this quality is either you want to sleep in or you're gonna go shopping, but this is nice. I may have to buy these for myself and you guys may not be able to get these, but these are in a medium. Do a nice spec shot for you. Quality. Okay, so that's one thing. One of my favorite things that's on the site now. I'm in love with these. Clearly I've gone shopping for myself. But guys, look at this print on here. And it shimmers. Like, this is so nice. Quality, okay? I want you to just soak that in real quick. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? These are so cute, and I love the way it has like this shimmer quality. This is really cool. And the one thing I like about these aren't like the capri cut leggings. These will go all the way down to your sneakers, so if you have on those ugly Hanes socks, nobody will know. This is also on our website, so you want to check this out. So yeah, this last product I'm about to show you guys is a little bit more on the pricey side, but I'm gonna tell you why. When I tell you this fits like a glove, a stretchy glove, this is completely made out of collagen. It's 100% recyclable. This is quality if I've never heard or seen it in my life. It's moisture controlled, climate controlled, ex-boyfriend controlled, hopefully. But this hoodie, I'm gonna take this straight out, please. Oh my god, it feels amazing. Like, this is like that stretchy legging material you wish everything was made out of, but this is gonna fit like a glove. And then my favorite thing about this, it has that, excuse my nails, I'm in quarantine, this little fingerprint for you to put your thumb through. So if you're running, you don't want your sleeves to bunch up, you can put your thumb through so it stays in place. But this is the perfect hoodie. I want you guys to just get a little zoom in on this quality here, because you know we live for the quality. I'm also gonna put a little picture here for you guys to see it on the model, but this is it. If you don't buy anything else from this website, you need to get this. Like I said, it is a little bit more on the high-end price, but we're not Dollar Tree store girls. I can't show you everything because I want you to go on the website and look for yourself, but these are just a few of our active wear products that are on the website for you to check out. Now, main mission for our website and our clothing brand is to be completely eco-friendly, just that different company that's really trying to make a difference in the world and making our footprint as small as possible. So as time goes by, we're hoping that over time we'll be able to be a completely eco-friendly company with you guys' help, of course. Link everything below for you guys. If you have any questions for me or my dad, feel free to put it in our comment section. You can also email on the website whatever questions you have. Remember, we're eco-friendly, okay? You want to save a few whales, this is it. Quality over quantity every single time. So like I said, thank you guys for tuning in again, and till next time.